So you see the color there? And it smells so good. You see that nice little copper tone? Like, it is so pretty. It even goes so well with the gold in my earrings. Ooh, it's looking really, really nice with my look. So hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup video for you guys. It's going to be a very, very simple and basic makeup look. I'm not one to wear makeup most of the time. I wear makeup for my photo shoots and video shoots. However, I do understand that there are some people who are new to makeup and they're beginners like myself. So I'm just going to show you how I apply my basic makeup, and let's get into it. So today I'm going to be using my eyeshadow palette by Colorbash Cosmetics True Beauty, and I got this from TJ Maxx, and as you can see I use it quite a lot, so this is what I'll be using today. For a basic foundation, I'm going to be using Color Perfect by Radiance. I'm using 8429 in the color Espresso. For my lips, I'll be using Kharyzma4u Lipgloss. This is from the Fall Vibes collection, and this is the color Copper Vibes. This makeup look will also feature some cosmetics that were sent to me by Merit Beauty, so I'll share that with you right now. It came in this cute little bag, which is so cute. It's corduroy brown, and you can just fold it up like this. You can put so many different knickknacks, makeup stuff with you, and it's really nice. You can match it with your outfits. So inside it says Merit, and this is the card. This is Merit, and this is the card for their bronze balm, which is what was sent to me. I'll show you right now. Inside this little pouch is the bronze balm and their brow volumizing pomade. So let me take it out of the packaging so I can show you what they look like. So their bronze balm comes in this gold packaging. It is so pretty, and it says here that it's a sheer bronzer, and it's a sheer buildable bronzer that delivers a wash of natural warmth and depth. And I'll show it to you now. That's it right there. It's so pretty. And this here is called the Brow 1980 in the color Brown Black. I'll show it to you now. And this is for your eyebrows. It says this pomade gives you thick, fluffy brows that hold all day. I also wanted to add that Merit Beauty's products are vegan and cruelty-free, so that's definitely a plus. So let's get into the makeup look. So first I'm starting with my foundation, which is by Radiance, and shake it up. And I have links to all the products in my description box if you're interested in purchasing. I usually start under my eyes. And this is bare skin. I'm sorry I forgot to tell you that, but I'm sorry I forgot to mention that this is my bare skin. I'll insert a clip because I did tape myself beforehand so you can see what my face looks like. I have been blessed with good skin, thank you God. I don't have any issues with acne or blemishes or nothing like that, but when I'm doing my makeup looks, it's basically for photos and video shoots. So what I do is just apply very light. So this is beginner friendly, so you're just going to want to take it and just put some all around like that, because you're just going to blend it out. That's how I do it. I know there could possibly be a proper way, but this is how I do it. I normally put some like over my brows like that to kind of clean them up. Okay, so I usually let like underneath bake. I don't use any concealer because I really don't have an issue with dark circles or anything like that. I'm not opposed to it, it's just that I really don't at this point need it. But I do have some concealer, but I really just don't find a need for it. Again, this is a basic look. So first off, foundation, and I'm just smoothing it out. So what I put under my eyes, I just let it sit a little bit longer while I'm smoothing out everything. And this basically just gives your face a nice even tone. Nice smooth even tone too. That's what I like about it. It's kind of hard for me to do this. I should have been looking in my mirror, but now I'm looking in the camera. Get your nose, along your hairline. Okay, so after I finish smoothing it out, I just take this here and just do like that. And I think I got these sponges from Shein. They have like nice makeup brushes, makeup bags and stuff like that for not a lot of money. Try to leave the link in the description. Then I like to just put some over my eyelid because to keep everything uniform in terms of color. I will go in with some eyeshadow, but looking at my other mirror here. So I'm just going to use my makeup brush to smooth it out. Okay, so everything is smoothed out. That's funny. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. I usually go in with bare-faced, which is this one right here, or sometimes nude. Let's try nude. Let's try nude since we're going for a nice clean look. And so what this does is, since I'm already brown skin, dark brown, I'm just basically putting on foundation and other natural colors to accentuate what I already have. So nothing is gonna be dramatic. You know how you see people with these big lashes and these bright colors. This is not a dramatic look. This is a basic makeup look to enhance what you already have. And this is good for every day. Like if you're a person who wants to wear makeup every day. Again, I don't wear makeup every day. If you catch me in the street, I'm normally barefaced. The only time I put on makeup is when I'm doing my photo shoots. For the most part, sometimes I don't even put it on for photo shoots, depending on what I'm doing, and video shoots. But day to day, I do not wear makeup. And if I'm going to an event, obviously, you know. For the most part though, I don't wear makeup. So as you can see, my face is, it looks very basic, very smooth. Everything is smoothed out and very, very natural. Even my eyes, very, very natural. We still didn't get to the brows and the lips yet, and the bronzer, we're getting to that. So then I usually go in with like, I think I like the Princess Pink. I think it's called a highlight, guys. I told you I'm not a makeup person, so I don't know, but I usually go under the brows to do like, I think it's a highlight. Yeah. And I'm gonna smooth that out, so don't worry about that. And then I usually go over the brow as well, to kind of clean it up. Yeah, I didn't smooth that out yet, but now would be the time that I use my brow pencil. So this is the brow volumizer. This is my first time using it from Merit Beauty. Let me shake it up. Okay, so this is the brow volumizer. Please excuse the noise. I live in New York City, so it's very hard to get video without hearing a siren or two in the background. So yeah, we're gonna go. Oh, this is nice. It's to thicken your brows, because as you can see, you're gonna see. You see this brow and then this brow. My brows are kind of sparse, so I usually use a brow pencil to go in and fill in where I need it to be full. See, so you can see the comparison, this brow and this brow. It's really sparse. You can see right there, and this one's already starting to look full, so I like that. Let's see. Oh yeah, I love it. I'm so happy. Thank you, Merit Beauty, for sending this. So then we'll do the other one. I'm used to looking in my mirror, but I should have set up the camera that way so I could be in the mirror at the same time, but it's okay. I'm gonna work with it. I think this is my second or third makeup tutorial. I'll try to link the first one that I did. I'm really liking this brow volumizer though. I really like this brow volumizer, so I'm just gonna brush it through, because I don't want to add any more product. That's why I'm not using the brush that they sent. After I'm done putting the product, like I think this is enough. Again, going over it, smoothing out that highlight that I had put earlier, because you can kind of still see it. It's lighter here. Right, so now just gonna smooth it out. So for my eyes, I think now I'm gonna go in with the bare face. It's kind of a little bit red, so I put that here. It's like a brownish red. And you could see these are the ones I use the most in comparison to everything else. I don't even know if I could find this palette again, because got it from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna smooth that out, like blend it together. Okay guys, so you can put blush if you want to, but I'm gonna be using my bronzer, and this is a basic look, so I'm not gonna show blush, but I will tell you that if you would like to use blush, you can go in and do that, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna now apply the bronzer. So this is the bronzer card that they gave me, and it's a bronze balm. It's a sheer bronzer, all over warmth in clay. So it's showing to put it here, 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 and here, and that's why I didn't put on the blush. So yeah, this is like, I haven't used bronzer in a while, so we're gonna see. Okay, so because it said to put it wherever the sun hits, and as you can see, it's transparent. Like, you see a little bit, yeah, you kind of can see it right there, and it feels so smooth. And then it shows you to put it here, so where the sun hits these places. I've seen people put it on the sides too, so I'm gonna try. Why not? Okay, and this is what it's looking like. It is so smooth and creamy. It looks like a chocolate that you want to eat. Doesn't have a smell either. Look how smooth that looks. I love it. It's a nice, it's gonna make my skin look so smooth. let's see how it blends in. You could kind of see it there. It's a bit amongst the hairline. And if you guys who are watching have any tips for me, leave them in the comments, because again, I'm not a professional by any means. I do the most basic makeup look ever. Alright, so I'm just gonna smooth it all out. And then the last thing we have to add is for our lips. But I'm really loving it. Okay, so for the lips, I'll be using Kharyzma4u Lipgloss, the Copper Vibes from the Fall Vibes collection. This comes in a trio, so this is one of the colors: Copper Vibes, Auburn Vibes, and Coffee Vibes, which can be found on Kharyzma4u.com, so definitely check the website out. But this is the Copper Vibes, and we're gonna be putting that on the lips. So you see the color there, and it smells so good. You see that nice little copper tone? Like, it is so pretty. It even goes so well with the gold in my earrings. And I'm gonna put a little bit more. It's so pretty. I love this gloss. It goes on smooth. As you can see, it's a nice smooth gloss. See, and it's a good natural look, so it gives your lips a beautiful copper. It's not sticky. Oh, it's looking really, really nice with my look. So let me fix up my hair to finalize the look for you guys. Guys, this is the final look. Everything is all done, and this hair is a body wave. I can't remember the company that sent it to me because it was from a long time ago, but if I can, I'll put it in the description. But yeah, this is the final look. I'll show you right now. And that's it. So all the products that you've seen in the video, I'll put the links in the description. If I can't find that exact product, I'll try to put one similar that you can purchase. Thank you to Merit Beauty for sending me those lovely products. For the lip gloss, you can find that on Kharyzma4u.com. Follow me on Instagram. My style page is Kharyzma4u Style. My business page is Kharyzma4u Fashion, where you can see my hair accessories, but mainly my cosmetics like my lip gloss line and other things like that, as well as my Etsy shop for natural hair accessories, satin bonnets, satin scarves, head wraps, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma4u. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye.